Welcome to my channel. Now today we got this Insta360 X4. I just bought it. I have not even opened it, so just want to see what's in the box. Let's have a look and unbox it. Let's have a look at the box. Just to keep it aside. Let's have a look at this one first. What's in the box? Throw all this silica gel. How do you open this thing? Maybe just push it to the side. Just open it up. Okay, comes with some lens guards. Now that's a good thing, we can put that on to protect the lens. What else in there? Okay, some booklets, waterproofing, warranty card. Okay, I'll put that one inside. Some stickers, that's good, I'll put them on a bike. And some safety guidelines. Perfect. Keep that aside. So this one, this is a case. I think I won't be needing the box, so I just need this one, especially when I'm on my rides and stuff, so we can just use this straight away. Oh, they got a bunch of things in there. So we got this cover, that's to protect the camera, which is good, very thoughtful. A USB cable, probably type C to charge it, and some other stuff, just like a cloth. We'll have a look, and some thermal grip cover. Okay, so that is a grip cover or something. There you go, this is how to install it. Alright, now let's turn on the camera and see how it looks. Let's see if it turns on. Most probably no, because there's no battery left. Probably. Yeah, no battery. So let's have a look when the battery is on. I think you gotta go remove it like this, and then this way, then the battery comes out. Okay, the battery's in, there's no tapes or anything, so you just gotta go put it back and just charge the battery. Just gonna take this one off, just a warning thing. Okay, I'm gonna take out the cover and put the guards. Okay, awesome. Okay, we will do one by one, so keep it like this. You can still have the cover on the back side. It's just a snap on anyway, so. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like that. Go, and that's it. Clicks, and then it saves your lens from getting any hurt. Okay, on this side as well, take off this plastic thing. I'll just put something in the bottom anyway, just to avoid scratching. I'll grab another one. Just don't touch the lens if you can. Avoid touching the actual glass, that'll be great. So it's gonna go both from the sides. Just gonna slide it in. Yep, and it should go click. That's it. It's done. Now I'm going to put this one on charge and we'll see how it goes. Also, I'm going to snap on this cover at the back. So I think this one just snaps on like this. nice and easy. I'm not going to take this one off until I get the tempered glass or something like that for it. Thanks for watching. I'll put some samples at the back of the video.